Last year, holiday gatherings looked a lot different. COVID-19 vaccines hadn't been developed, and local health officials urged the public to stay safe by staying home. This year, with COVID-19 vaccines and boosters available, families are choosing to get together once again. Jennifer Tritton, Director of Infection Prevention at Community Health System, explains what you can do to stay safe if you gather during the holidays.
This year is very different from last year. So as we entered the pandemic last season, there was not the vaccine that we have this year, and there was not as much known about how to limit transmission. We've really learned a lot over the last almost 2 years of being in COVID. And while I think all of us wish that we were not still experiencing this level of pandemic, we have found some ways that we can celebrate together in a safer way. Make sure that you're vaccinated, get a booster. Other things are wearing a mask when you're in crowded places, and always using hand hygiene. Some practical things that you could incorporate into your family gatherings is to have discussions beforehand about the comfort of the guests in terms of who's vaccinated, who's not, who may be at risk, and to tailor your activities around that. But we do know that gathering outdoors is always a safer option. So some people are retiming their events so that they're gathering perhaps in the afternoon and incorporating some outdoor activities. Also, if you can keep windows open to increase ventilation if the weather is allowing that. Indoors, having things like a HEPA filter unit that is keeping the air as clean as possible, as well as some fans can keep air from being too stagnant in the space. I think a lot of the concerns around gathering with shared meals is the handling of the utensils, and again, that close space. So as much as you're able to package things individually, that's a great option. But if you are using shared utensils, just again using that really good hand hygiene before you're touching your face or getting ready to eat. We definitely want everyone to be able to get together and celebrate the holidays as safely as possible. Nobody wants to get sick and wind up in an emergency department instead of being home enjoying some of the holiday celebrations.